In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up call recording in SalesCaptain in SalesCaptain. Let's dive in. Let's get started. Head over to Settings in the sidebar, select Calls, and toggle on Record and transcribe all calls. Next, toggle on the Announcement option and enter your custom message or audio URL so your contacts know the call is being recorded. Hit Save to lock in those settings, then click the Call button up in the top toolbar and type in your contact's name. You can do this from anywhere in SalesCaptain. Click the phone icon to kick off the call and just have your conversation as normal. Here we're chatting with Emily to schedule an in-person appointment later this week. Once the call wraps up, head to the Calls tab in the sidebar to see your full call history, find the recent call in the list, and click the play button under Actions to open up the Conversation Detail panel. From here you can play back the full recording, or click along the voice timeline to see a breakdown of who spoke and for how long. You'll also find a Captain AI summary with key points and recommended next steps, plus a complete transcript of the entire conversation. Play the audio with the transcript open and you'll see a real-time speech highlight so you can track exactly who's speaking and when. That's it. View and manage your call recordings with ease. And that's it. Head to salescaptain.com to start your free trial today.